alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Frankenstein makeup. So I don't really have much to say for this intro besides this is part 2 of my Halloween series. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my last video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's right over here. You guys can click that and watch it. I really like the result of that makeup look, so I'm really excited to do this one today. I am anxious about the outcome of this because I don't have the most vital makeup product for this look. Green face paint. Okay, I kind of have an idea of what I'm gonna do. I just don't know if it's gonna end up looking right on my face, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see. I'm gonna do a little bit of brow process with you guys. I'll come back to y'all once it's time to do that, of course. Okay, hey guys, so I just finished, you know, combing up my brows and pressing them down and stuff, and here's how they look right now, just super flat. For today's makeup, okay, we're going for thinner brows. I think I do want to do some thinner brows today, and we're gonna color them in dark today because we're supposed to be Frankenstein, okay? We're not a human today, so no regular colored brows, I guess. The OG Bride of Frankenstein brows, they go downwards, and then up here they go like upwards, and I kind of wanted to do that for this look because Frankenstein's eyebrows are the brow bone. His brow bone get really prominent. We're going to incorporate both of them in this makeup look, and the Bride of Frankenstein will make her appearance in my brows, I guess. So I'm gonna fill in my brows with my trusty Juvia's Place palette. I always use this palette for like everything. And I'm going to be taking, first of all, this like grayish black shade and then this deep black shade. I'm gonna mix the two and use my own judgment to fill in my brows. And I'm going to make sure that I map out my brows going downwards. Do you see it? So I have this part going downwards and this part going upward, and that's basically what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to do the other brow off camera. I'll come back soon. Okay, I just had a memory card error, so if we have any footage missing on this video, OMG, I'm gonna be so upset. I remember telling you guys that I did not have any green face paint, so we're gonna be making our own. I'm gonna use a light foundation or concealer shade. Right now I'm using this Too Faced concealer in the shade Natural Beige, and then I'm gonna put that in a bowl, and then I'm gonna mix in a green eyeshadow, and we're gonna mix those together, hope for the best, and start concealing around my brows. Okay, so it's been a little struggle, but I have somewhat of a green color here. Now I'm going to line a brow with y'all, and then I'm gonna do the other one off camera because I'm a little anxious right now. This is scaring me quite a lot. Okay, so. All right, look at that, that doesn't look too bad. Sure, all of y'all see that. Now I'm gonna do the other one off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, surprisingly enough, you guys, I'm actually gonna, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be referencing one of my old videos once again, and I'm going to do an eyeshadow look that I did a really long time ago. Not really long, but you know, long enough, and I posted it about 2 years ago. It's just a regular look. I'm going to be referencing that for my eyeshadow for this look. We're not gonna do anything crazy. I'm gonna layer the colors, starting off with the lighter color and then going in with darker and darker colors until we get a nice good ombre eyelid, kind of like that. Hopefully you guys kind of get it now. I'm just going back and forth between the deeper colors, and I want to create almost like a little green smoky eye, I guess you could also say, but I'll be back when I'm ready for the next step of this eyeshadow look. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna use this Spirit Halloween 24 glitter palette, and I'm gonna put some glitter on my eyelid. I'm thinking this little shade right here and maybe a little bit of this lighter green, so these two. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in the middle as well. It looks a little silly. Have I messed up my whole entire look? I hope not. So I think I'm gonna just powder around it a little bit, like with some eyeshadow. Color eyeshadow like this, and I'm gonna powder around it because it looks a little odd. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And I'll be back with y'all when it's time for me to do my base. I've just reapplied some of my primer and a little bit of a like moisturizing setting spray. Now we're gonna start applying our foundation. I did the same exact process. I mixed a little bit of one of my lightest foundations, which is this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation in the shade Rich Ginger 5-in-1. And I mixed that with a tiny bit of white concealer and also some green eyeshadow. Please, if you're gonna do this look, try and buy some green face paint because it is so wasteful. I've hit pan on an eyeshadow trying to do this look, okay? So just go ahead and buy some green eyeshadow so that you don't have to be like me, okay? So now we're gonna sit here and we're gonna apply this to our face and I'm gonna blend it out. As y'all can see, I've applied it everywhere. I'm gonna blend this stuff out off camera because it's gonna be so crazy if I try to film all this. I'm taking this e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I'm using the dewy one because I need for this stuff to blend out well. I finished blending out the white concealer that I put on, and I've also packed my whole face down with my regular translucent CoverGirl powder. Please get some face paint, y'all. It'll make it a lot easier. So now it's time for contour. Y'all look at my hands. I might leave it how it is because it's kind of giving like Frankenstein. I'm gonna take some green eyeshadow and I'm literally going to contour my face. We're just gonna start going like this. This whole process is so scary, you guys. I really hope this ends up looking somewhat decent. I'm gonna be really upset if it doesn't end up looking okay. The look is actually coming together, you guys. I'm just a little crazy. I'm gonna contour my nose now. I will see you guys once this contour is, you know, looking a little bit better, and I'll blend it out and I will be with y'all on the next step. Okay, you guys, so now we're moving on to some of the fun parts of this makeup look. Okay, ooh, I'm looking giving that witch from what's that musical called? Wicked? We're giving Wicked right now. Okay, so we just contoured with a mix of translucent powder and white powders from random palettes. And now we're gonna start doing the iconic Frankenstein stitches that you would need to do with any type of Frankenstein look, right? I actually want to add some eyeliner to this look, but I think I'll do that off camera because eyeliner, just do it how you guys like to do it. So I'm just gonna take a darker red color and I'm going to start making a line on my head. So I'm literally gonna start going across my head like this. If you don't want to be a noob like me, make sure that you have red liner, like a red eyeliner, anything of that sort, so that you don't have to do this weird like little stampy method. Wait, stampy long nose? I'm just playing, yeah, this little stamp method. There we go, we have that. So I'm gonna do the other lines off camera and I'll BRB. For the next step of the little stitch thingies, I'm gonna take a light green and we're just gonna like go around the sides of these little marks that we drew, just like this. Now I am running out of battery space, so I hope you guys see me doing this. Kind of creating like a little highlight around them. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'm gonna come back. Now we're gonna do a little bit of a shadow around the highlights we just did. I'm gonna take a darker green color and I'm just going to lightly contour around it. Just really light, it doesn't have to be very visible or anything. Okay guys, so I've done some stuff off camera. I added my eyeliner and I've also smoked out the green under my eye. I added a tiny bit of black eyeshadow in the middle of each part where the lines. Now we're going to start to do the little stitches. So I'm going to start off with a gray color and you're going to start marking where your stitches are going to be. Kind of like that on the edge of, you know, where I think my stitches are going to be. And the thing about it is that you kind of want to blend it out just a little bit like that. Now we're going to take, you know, whatever eyeliner you're going to use, and you're going to actually put a dot there now. Now we're going to create the stitch. So we're going to take our eyeliner and we're just going to draw lines to connect them, okay? They do not have to be perfect. Okay, just draw the line. Okay, you see? Now I'm gonna let that dry. See how some of them are like a little off? You can just kind of go like this on. Once this dries, you're gonna take a white liner. You're gonna draw basically over the black lines that you just made. They don't have to be like completely covering the black, but you know you want it over it, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all. If you were to stand back a little bit, they're gonna look like little stitches, okay? So I'm going to literally do that on the rest of these little lines, and then I'll be right back to you guys. I've done a bit of stuff off camera, so I finished up the stitches, like down here, you guys see it. Yeah, y'all, this is looking really nice. I did the highlighter off camera. I used a pearlescent color out of one of my eyeshadows, because that's the only one that was actually green. And then I put that on my nose, and up here on my eyebrow, and on my cheek. And then I got some of this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in the shade How Many Carats. It's just the white one. And I put it on my face as well. I'm gonna see if you guys can see it up close. I put that on the same places that I put the regular highlighter. Can you guys even see it? I hope you guys can. It's so pretty in real life. Like, I'm literally looking at it shimmering. I'm gonna put on some mascara, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes, and then I will be back to do my lippy with you guys. So see y'all then. Hey guys, so I just finished with the lashes, so now I'm going to do my lippy with you guys. So I'm gonna use a black lip liner and I'm going to take this Kat Von D black lipstick and I'm going to fill in my lips. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of this MAC lipstick in the shade Chili. And I'm going to put that in the middle, but not a lot, just a little bit. I think I did really good on this. I thought it was going to be terrible, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay guys, but seriously, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you guys want to know any of the products that I use, either ask me down in the comment section or go to my Instagram where all the products will be listed. And this is makeup look 2 done. Okay, I'm so excited for y'all to see this as well. This was my first time ever doing this. If I were to give you guys only one tip for this makeup look, it would be to buy some face paint. You can do it without the face paint, but I really recommend having the face paint because this process was terrible. Okay, but yeah y'all, I like the makeup. I think it looks super duper cute, you guys. It kind of looks like a zombie more than like Frankenstein. I'll see. But yeah, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys on my next video, which will be another Halloween look. And for the people who are watching this for inspiration, I really hope this helped you. Okay, see you guys on my next video.